And then there's a bunch of little ones. Got one more. Maybe I should move one of them.
There's one.
Huh?
Move it around. There was a space right in here. You put it right in there.
Ta-da! I think it looks very nice.
Oh, that's so cute, sis. Super cute.
All right, now we have one more thing.
Oh, Lord. You think that'll fit inside
I don't
there?
know. Let's try. We could put it on a regular cake stand first. And then I'll use that for storage. Now, I need to clean it. Clean it up a little. Anyway, here is the birthday cake. I think it looks very pretty.
It's beautiful. So cool, Elsie. Very nice.
Very cool.
GoPro, stop recording.